The model represents a furry character, a Doberman girl. It's a low-poly ready-to-play model with 55,000 triangles, 32,000 vertices, and 6 materials. The model features 22 PBR textures, ensuring high-quality visual representation. The model boasts advanced customization options, with additional bones for the face, tongue, teeth, and hair, allowing for greater flexibility in appearance customization and animation. The face is equipped with BlendShape's Meta XR audio for VRChat and 52 Apple AR kit, providing a highly immersive and interactive experience for users in virtual reality environments. This model is suitable for a wide range of gaming genres, including RPGs, fantasy games, hyper-casual titles, and for creating avatars on social media and VR applications. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for developers looking to incorporate unique and expressive characters into their projects.